Alexis. I've been taking over Logan Taylor's YouTube channel. Today's socket top 4 stuffed animals that remind me of my parents. So, number 1, Pinkie Pie. She reminds me of my dad. My dad won her for me at Hershey Park. I hug her whenever she is away because I miss him. I should call him more. And this is Lola. My mom got me Lola for my birthday. I got it from Billy Bear. This is Peacie. She's a bear. Worn out most of my stuffed animals, maybe she. Okay. I also keep her by my bed, so I keep like 3 of these stuffed animals by my bed. Okay, number 4. Her name's Pangie. Hat's coming off. Oh well. This is Pangie. My mom gave this to me, I believe. This reminds me of my mom because there's uniforms you see in movies that they're white, but well, I think they're white in real life, but I'm not really sure. Well, a lot of coats are white. No, I guess so. I really look up to my mom because she's a nurse and she's like wicked smart. It's almost scary how smart she is. Shout out to my parents. I love you guys. I don't know what I would do if I didn't have you guys around. Okay, that's about it for today's video. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment if you want me to do videos and talking about my stuffed animals. Or you want to see me opening something. About unboxing video. Okay, maybe when it comes to my birthday, next event or something. You will see me unboxing something. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I believe I already said that, but love you guys. And don't forget to tell other people about this YouTube channel. Trust me, this YouTube channel is pretty good. Don't forget that Logan Taylor's coming back. Don't forget that Logan Taylor's coming back soon. So don't be boo, Alexis is here. She's coming back very soon. But she will be looking different. She'll have a new update to us. Love you guys, bye. See you next time on the Talk with Logan Taylor.